There are two different types of videos that you need on your landing page to help you sell more courses, products, and services. Number one, video sales letter or trailer. Number two, testimonials. Now I'm going to share some examples with you in this video about those that are using them really, really well. But the reason why you need these two is because video is the fastest way to build trust with your audience. It's one of the best things that you could possibly do to help show off exactly what you do and the value you provide for those purchasing from you. So I've studied many businesses that are using video to help sell their services or products. And some of the best ones that I've found are those that use it across their funnel, not just on their landing page, but use it for their testimonials, use it to show off what they do, use it when they have clients. So these 4 or 5 examples that I'm going to show you today are just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with video in your business. These examples are some of the best people that I know that are using this. So number one, I wanted to show you AJ and Smart. This company is all about helping teams facilitate trainings and facilitate better collaboration amongst each other to do better design thinking. And as you can see across their website, they have little videos here that explain everything that the programs are all about. They start out with one that is for their facilitation program. Then they go into all of their other programs have videos attached to them that allow you to learn more about what the product is before you go and purchase. It's one of the best things that you can do for anything that you have. The only thing that they don't have is video testimonials, but they have testimonials across their landing page. Now, the person who has done this really, really well and always does is Jay Klaus. In his lab page, he has all his testimonials running across. He has a tour inside the lab. And then he also has video testimonials littered throughout the page so that you can read the whole page, but also watch these testimonials, get the emotion from those that are in there, and use video to be able to see inside the community before you even get to purchase it. And so this way of using video is one of the best ways that I've seen. I think it's really insightful to see how he structured this landing page and then take a few pages out of his book about where to use video, how to use video, and see if it works for you. Now, this is Tiago Forte and his Build a Second Brain membership. See, even he's using video to explain and introduce the Second Brain membership before people even buy it. And this allows people to understand what the membership is all about before they purchase it. This is the reason why so many people use videos on their landing pages when they're selling courses, products, services. It's so important and vital. Now, this is a completely different niche. This is a Dominate the Diamond. This is a baseball coaching online resources and course. And even they're using a 3-minute long video here about everything that they get from purchasing this course and the resources. So you can see how they're even using video to ensure that what they do and what they sell is seen as valuable to their potential customers. This is really important. This is one of those things where you're like outside of the normal online business niche and you're seeing, oh my gosh, look, they're using video. And it's probably helping them because it's still there. And I watched this video. It's a very, very well done video. Now, the other person doing it really, really well is Justin Moore, who has his Brand Your Wizard course. And what you'll see is he has a video here at the very top of the landing page so that you can watch it and learn more about the course. And then as you scroll down, just like Jay, what you start to find is all these video testimonials, these videos that you can watch and learn more about how this course has helped those who have purchased it. It is one of the best and most powerful things that you can do is use video across your landing page and across your marketing. So Justin Moore, Jay Klaus, they're both using video beyond just a landing page video, a trailer, a VSL. But these guys at Dominate the Diamond, they're using a VSL to show you everything that you're getting from their resources. Tiago Forte using a VSL to tell you everything about the Second Brain membership. AJ and Smart, VSLs across their website to help you learn about their services, their offerings. This is why you need a video on your landing page. It is one of the best ways to build trust, show off exactly what you do, and get people excited and interested in learning from you and purchasing from you. If you don't have one already, if you're thinking about doing one, click the link down in the description because you can sign up to get my guide that is the exact process I go through with all of my clients to create VSLs and trailers just like the ones that you see on these landing pages. And so you can use that guide to do it in just an afternoon. It's pretty easy. But if you're curious about more, YouTube thinks you should watch this video next.